You spent $500 on Facebook ads last month and got likes. Not customers. Likes. Here's the 5 mistakes draining your budget and exactly how to fix every single one. Every week, I talk to small business owners, restaurant owners, retail shop owners, service providers who are spending $500, $1,000, even $2,000 a month on Facebook ads and getting absolutely nothing back. Not because the platform is broken, not because their business is bad, because they're guessing instead of following a system, and that guessing is expensive. Let me show you what's actually going wrong. Mistake number 1. You're hitting that boost post button and calling it a strategy. Listen to me. The boost post button is not your friend. It's Meta's easiest way to take your money with almost zero targeting control. A real campaign built inside Ads Manager gives you 10 times more precision on who sees your ad, when they see it, and what action they take. But most business owners don't even know the difference, and that's where mistake number 2 comes in. Mistake number 2, you're targeting everyone. You set your radius to your whole city, and you think more people boom equals more customers. Wrong. A 25-year-old college student and a 52-year-old homeowner do not respond to the same message. When you target everyone, you convert no one. Narrow your audience. Speak to a specific person with a specific problem. That alone will cut your wasted spend in half. But here's where it gets really painful. Mistake number 3, you have no real offer. Come visit us is not an offer. Support local is not an offer. Get a free appetizer with any entree this Friday. That's an offer. 20% off your first service call when you book this week. That's an offer. People scroll past hundreds of ads a day. If yours doesn't give them a specific reason to stop and act right now, you're invisible. Specificity drives action. Write that down. Mistake number 4, you're sending people to the wrong place. You pay for the click, they land on your homepage, they see a wall of text and a stock photo, and they bounce. Your ad did its job. Your landing page killed the sale. Every ad needs a dedicated landing page with one clear next